Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by protecting your system. Create a system restore point and a quick full backup because changes can be reversed. Once done, update Windows and your GPU drivers so scaling and color behave predictably. Next, choose a single wallpaper, an accent color, and one icon pack to keep visual consistency. You'll install the icon pack and apply the wallpaper now. This gets 70% of the new look in place immediately, while avoiding mismatched elements later. Now you refine layout and behavior. Open settings and tune accent color, contrast, and transparency so text stays readable. Then, use a taskbar tweaker or a dock app to set one icon size and alignment. This removes clutter and improves muscle memory. Next, add a lightweight launcher or rain meter skin to provide widgets and shortcuts. Choose a single, minimal skin to avoid visual noise. You'll also set matching fonts and icon spacing, so windows and desktop elements feel intense. Finish by smoothing the experience. Reduce or speed up UI animations, adjust window border thickness, and enable font smoothing so text looks crisp at your chosen resolution. Clear the icon cache and reboot to make sure all new icons and skins load cleanly. This step prevents ghost icons. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Boot into safe mode, undo the last tweak, and use your system restore point or uninstall the offending app. This recovers your previous.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.